Hi, this is Lars with World Impact Real Estate and my850.com. I'm excited to give you just a peek at a potential upcoming listing in Miramar Beach. Now, this particular video was done as a demonstration video for the seller to show how quickly my team and I can get a property shown on the first page of Google. However, if you are interested in this property or any other luxury beachfront property, please get in touch with me and I'll give you details about this and all other beachfront properties available. If you're a seller and would like me to help you market your property and get your property to the first page of Google, contact me or check out my website. I'd love to work with you. Thanks for watching and have a great day.